Next topic, the fall of Berlin Wall and end of the World War era. Fall of the Berlin Wall. Mainly for the divisions of the Germany into two divisions. One is the West Germany, another one is the East Germany. The West Germany was controlled by these Americans. The East Germany was controlled by these Russians. So the West Germany is in the Federal Republic of Germany. The West Germany is called a Federal Republic of Germany. And East Germany, the German Democratic Republic. German Republic. That led to the glaring the difference in the living standard. So the West Germany peoples and the East Germany peoples, the living is different types. The mainly for this, the West Berlins economically become the prosperous of the using economically well developed for the Marshall plans. They are using in the Marshall plans. So the West Berlin's economy become the prosperous thanks to the support they received from the West under the Marshall plans. In the contrast of the USSR, the Soviet Union's Asia, not interested in this, the economic development in the East Germany's. In the contrast of the USSR, had a little interest in developing the economic of Eastern Berlins. And this East Berlin suffered from the lack of democracy and freedoms. So the West Germany peoples, Asia, well developed by the economics, but not interested in this, the USSR for the East Berlin's, East Germany's. So the lack of the democracies and the freedoms. Therefore, the people, the Eastern Berlins, the East Germany, East Berlin peoples moved to the West Berlins, West Germany's, and this large number of peoples, the West Berlins, and the other hand, there was a fear in this Soviet. So there was a fear that the Soviet could use the military forces to take the West Berlins. So the fears for these West Berlins because of the USSR attacked. So the East Berlin peoples moved to the West Berlins. So the East Germany began to construct a wall in 1961. So they constructed the wall in 1961. It was heavily for the guarded with the watch the towers and others recall the impediment to the stop the peoples from the east. So the lot of peoples moved to this east to west. So the East Berlin's, the construction of this wall of 1961 and they constructed the tower also. The construction of towers, watch the towers and heavily the guarded by the stop the peoples from the east to west. So in 1980s, as a USSR whole European countries was vacant. So 1980s, the European USSR hold the overs European countries is vacant. The USSR vacant. After that, the mass of the people assembled. So the West Berlin Papers or East Berlin Papers assembled on 9th November 1989 the both side of the wall and began to the demolish or destroyed. The wall was destroyed in both side papers. The Germany was reunited. The reunions are merging. West Germany and East Germany merged on 3rd October 1990. The Berlin Wall was more than just a physical barrier. Physically, the barrier. It was a symbolic boundaries between the communisms and the capitalism. Communisms and the capitalisms. With the fall of the Berlin Wall, followed by the collapse of Soviet Unions. So the fall of the Berlin Wall, the Soviet Russia was collapsed. So the Cold War era came to an end. The Cold War between US and USSR, the Cold War was ended.